hell's you doing, boy? Are you smoking a little woohoo? Boy, smoking a little woohoo. Get a little jazz cabbage in there. Anyways, what's going on, guys? It's Mr. Lucky Moto here on a cold as fuck day right now. I say it's cold as fuck, but it's really only 40 degrees like my last video was. Or one of my last videos. I honestly lose track of which videos I uploaded each time. But anyways, 40 degrees right now. And it's cold as fuck. Actually, I'm not going to go that way. That way it looks wet. It's been raining and snowing the past couple days. So I'm just kind of like trying to find any little excuse to go out and ride. And so, yeah, it's cold. But the roads are somewhat dry. So I was like, you know, why don't we just go ahead and go out for a little ride, get some footage for the viewers. And for you non-northerners up here, for all of you people that are down in the south where it's just riding weather 24/7, you guys are probably, honestly, you're gonna be like, what the fuck, why aren't you riding in the winter, you pussy? It's because half the time up here in the winter it's ice and shit like that. I don't know if you know, but two wheels is not very good on ice. And I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys get a little sneak peek as to what we're gonna be doing over the winter. So go follow me on Instagram so you guys can go see what I'm talking about. Amazon Prime. Actually, just the other day I saw I think it was two Amazon Prime trucks actually got into an accident with each other. It's just kind of like, how are you that uncoordinated? Hey, you guys are on the same route to where you can get into an accident with each other. I want to go ride, zoom zoom. Your brake lights came on. It scared me. I'm gonna back up a little bit. You seem unpredictable, sir. What are you gonna do next? Are you gonna go to the left? Or are you gonna go to the right? Go to the left. Good. To the right. Good. Left. Right. And shift. Left, right, shift. That's a cheat code for motorcycles. Left, right, up, down, shift. I would put on music right now, but I feel like, I don't know. I would put on music right now, but I think my car is really low on battery and I kind of want to save it for if I actually have to make an emergency call. Then again, I should have this on so that way I can just be like, hey Siri, call for help. Just in case I do get into an accident or something. I'm going to do that. Man, it's such a beautiful day out though. It's honestly not too bad. I'm warm, I'm comfortable. Get this shit off my bike. Oh, that made it worse. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Not my bike. No. What the fuck? Why is it not coming off? Fuck. Okay, well, that's gonna bother me for the rest of my life. I'm gonna think back to this moment. I'm gonna be like, why the fuck did I do that? Bro, what the fuck? I can't fucking deal with this shit right now. It's been a week for me. Man, it's so again, I can't tell it beautiful. I love it. It's honestly not bad at all. Also, yeah, I'm getting to wear my NBT pants for the first time. It's the first time, as you guys know from my NBT review, my pants they were the wrong size. So I finally got the right size in. And it's just like, unfortunately, it's getting to the point to where I'm not really going to be able to ride with them for the rest of the year. This is literally my first ride with them, so I can give you guys like a little thoughts of it so far. So far, they're actually very comfortable. I have a little light layer underneath them, like leggings kind of thing, leggings but for men. So I've got that underneath, just kind of help me stay a little bit warmer, and it's making it a little bit tighter. But other than that, they're super comfortable. I love them. Real quick, only thing, the pockets are a little short, but I also carry a lot of shit in my pockets, so. If you carry a lot of shit in your pockets, be warned. But you do have other pockets. You have this pocket right here, and that pocket right here, and you have your ass pockets too. I'm just gonna call them ass pockets, because why not? Off the line, I win. There was no one racing me, but I win. There's dirt. Ah, dirt. Why dirt? Oh boy, there's a lot of dirt in here. There's a lot of dirt. I want to stay on the patch I don't have the dirt, because I don't want the dirt. Where's my GoPro? I don't know what that was. I think it might have just been the whistling I'm hearing from my visor being, wait, what? I swear I'm hearing my GoPro beep. I swear I'm hearing my GoPro beep. Don't you dare stop recording on me. I need you. I need you. Don't leave me, guys, please. Imagine owning that warehouse. That would actually be kind of cool. Maybe have have this whole entire warehouse right here and just, I don't know, turn it into a fucking business of some kind. That's the kind of shit you think about when you're an adult. You're like, man, I can start a business with that. I can start a business and I can be rich. That's just what you think about as an adult. You're just like, you get into that ball and mindset. You're like, I need to start thinking, oh, is that a cop? That is a cop. I'm gonna slow down a little bit. Or is that a cop? I have no idea. Whatever you were, you ain't turning around. So you need to get into that ball of mindset. Hello, thank you for seeing me. I don't know what the fuck is going on with me today. Ooh, my brakes. Yeah, in that video where you get, like, in the amputee video, you can also hear my brakes. I didn't think they were mine, but they're mine. They're my brakes. I need to do something about that. The light turned green. I wasn't expecting it. I mean, I expected it to turn green, but not right there. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? I hope so. Ooh, damn, dude, the Volkswagen bus is Fillmore! High as fuck. Who is you? You is someone down at the end of the lot. Excuse me, sir. I kind of want to use this to do some wheelies. I need to get up higher, but use a foot brake. Woo! All right. That was hella chased out, but I mean, that was my longest wheelie yet, and by far. Move here. Hey, you guys ready for this? Oh gosh, that came up a little too quick. Over here, visor down because my face gets cold, and then we pop a nooner. At some point, I brought my gimbal, which has like an actual like stand for it to stand up on, and I think I wanna. There is something on the software where it'll actually like track me. I think I just need to figure out how to set it up, but that would be badass to try and do. I am in first gear. Okay, and now I'm up. Just gosh, that was horrible. I can get that up a lot better. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm getting it up. That's how it always is. I get it up, and then I'm just like, nah. My gosh. I'm chasing it out way too much. I need to practice the foot brake more. That's another thing I need to do. Because that's probably a huge chunk of why I'm just chasing it out so much and not popping up higher, because I'm not confident in the foot brake. My gosh, the foot brake. I really need to just work on the foot brake on this thing and spend some time with it. Oh my gosh. Coming down way too hard. That shit's scary. Because I really need to actually like slam on the foot brake in order to get it to come down. Bro, I am rusty as fuck today for some reason. I don't know why. This is good. I don't know what that guy's doing, but I'm gonna go pop a wheelie. What the fuck? That was horrible as fuck, dude. I feel so stupid doing shit like this. I can't see at all. Oh, there's not a car in front of me. Oh gosh. I literally could not see at all. Alright, there we go. Not a bad one right there. My God. Do a couple more this way. Oh my I cannot see. This is annoying. I'm gonna take up my visor every time I stop. Alright, that one wasn't bad. I mostly just want to get one good wheelie going in both directions. It took like 5 minutes to get all that. Not bad. Alright, I think I'm actually gonna head home. I think I've had enough for wheelies today. It's a light wheelie day, but it's like, I mean, it's getting cold out. There's not nearly as many people out, especially when you're here by yourself. It's kind of just risky, because if you do crash, it's kind of like, who's here to help? Like, I mean, you have these people in the trailers over here that could possibly see you, but you're just kind of relying on the fact that they see you. And yeah, I come out here a lot, but I'm not really pushing myself, and I don't know, I'm just not feeling confident in my wheelies today. If I felt more confident in them, then maybe I would stick around more, but it's just like, no, I'm not feeling it, so I'm gonna head home after doing this one little wheelie. Don't leave my turn signal on. I don't want to see the turn signal on here. Yeah, if it wasn't for the fact that it was just raining and snowing the other day, and then in the shadows there could still be a little bit of ice, I would be out here and ride a lot more. But because honestly, this weather doesn't really bother me all that much. It's a little nippy, but it's not bad at all. I'm just worried about the ice and slipping out, just crashing in general. So that's the main reason why I'm not like going out and riding all the time in this weather. But every once in a while on a day like this where I can just go to the stunt lot, hell yeah, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I was thinking about going on the freeway. Ooh, that's for sale, bruh. Mr. Lucky Boat. Instead of Mr. Lucky Moto, just turn it to Mr. Lucky Boat. Or just make that a series on the channel, Mr. Lucky Boat. I'll just become a 100% watercraft YouTuber, Mr. Lucky Boat. I'm really desperate for jokes. I can't think of anything else myself. I'm funny. I'm not funny. That's what I'm trying to say. Whee! There's a popo car right there. There's a scope, which is just like a fancy way of saying police car. Fucking, I let my turn signal on again. Damn it! Woo! Hit a rev limiter. Let's go. Oh, that's a Porsche! That's a Porsche! I love the Porsche. The Porsche is the best. Alright, now, I don't look at the stats of like the supercars. I don't really care about the supercars. All I can say, Porsche designs are just, they're so good. I have not found a single Porsche car that I do not like the looks of. They all look good. Whee! Yeah! Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can see the next time I upload. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.